Hello everyone, today we will discuss questions from alphabet series. Series has always been an important question that are being asked in the logical section and very important from examination point of view. In fact, logical section has played an important role in literally every examination. So while we will discuss the question, first we will discuss the question, and then once we are done with all the 33 questions, we will go to the explanation. So I request all of you to pause the video, try to solve this, and once 33 questions are discussed, we'll go to the explanation and see if we have got the right answer or not. Initially the questions should be easy, but as we proceed further, the level of difficulty will increase. So without wasting any time, let us go to the first question. So this is the series QPWZC. Then what next? Option A F, option B E, option C G, or option D H. You can pause the video and try to solve this. Moving to the next question. Okay, I think it's not important to read what is in front of me because you all can see what is in front of you. The questions are quite clear. So I'll just introduce you to the 33 questions, and aforementioned, once we are done with 33 questions, we'll go to the explanation. So I'll just take you to all the slides with 33 questions. So all you have to do is to pause the slide and try to solve this. Moving to the next question. Moving to the next question.
Okay, so we are done with 33 questions. Now we will go to the explanation and see if we have got the correct answer or not. So moving to the explanation.
Okay friends, this is the explanation of the first question, and it says the terms in the series are increasing by 3, as you can see. So the correct option is option A, F. So this is one of the easiest questions asked. Moving to the next explanation. Here you can see the terms in the series are decreasing by 2. This is question number 2. So the correct answer is option B, F, D. I hope you have got the right answer. Moving to the next explanation. Here the terms in the series are increasing by 2. Again, one of the easiest question asked. So the correct answer is option C, which is Q. Moving to the next question. So the terms in the series are increasing by 7. So the correct answer is option A, which is E. Moving to the fifth question. The terms in the given series are increasing as follows: plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. So in this way it is increasing. So the correct answer is option C, which is V. Moving to the next question, which is question number 6. The terms in the series are decreasing by 6. Again, one of the easiest questions. So the correct answer is option B, which is M. Moving to the next question, which is question number 7. Here the terms in the series are increasing by 6. So the correct answer is option C, which is G. Moving to the next question, which is question number 8. And the explanation says the terms in the given series are increasing as follows: plus 6, plus 5, plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. So in this way we will get the answer A. So the correct answer is option A, which is A. Moving to the next question. This is question number 9. As you can see in the series, it is increasing by plus 3 and then decreasing by minus 1, then again plus 3. So it goes on like this. So the next alphabet will be minus 3 and then plus 3. So it is decreasing alternatively by 3 and 1 respectively. So the correct answer is option C, which is I, H. Moving to the 10th question. Series among the alphabets is increasing as follows: plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. So the correct answer is option B, which is C. Moving to the next question. Pattern in this series is increasing as follows: plus 8, plus 6, plus 7, plus 6, plus 5, plus 4, plus 3. So the correct answer is option A, which is O. Moving to the next question. Pattern in the series is decreasing as follows: minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. So the correct answer is option B, which is M. I hope you have got all the correct answer. Moving to the next question. So the pattern in the given series is decreasing alternatively by 3 and 4. As you can see here, the pattern, the series is decreasing alternatively by 3 and 4. So the correct answer is option B, which is P, F. Moving to the next question. In the given series, the first 3 letters are consecutively in decreasing order, as you can see, W, B, U, and then there is a gap of 4, and again the next 3 letters Q, P, O are consecutively in decreasing order, and so on. So the correct answer will be option B. So here in the explanation you can see in the series first 3 letters are consecutively in decreasing order, W, V, U, and then there is a gap of 4, and again the next 3 letters Q, P, O are consecutively in decreasing order, and so on. So the correct answer will be option B, which is D, C. Moving to the 15th question. The given series is in decreasing order, given as follows: minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So if you follow this particular sequence, the correct option will be option C, which is X, O. Moving to the next question. Moving to the explanation of this question number 16. The given series is a combination of 2 series. So the level of difficulty has increased a bit. So the first series A plus 5F plus 5K and so on, and the answer will be, as you can see, letter U. And the second series you can see C plus 5H plus 5M. So we keep adding and the result will be W. So the correct answer will be option C, U, W. Hope you have got the correct answer. Moving to the next question. The given series is a combination of 2 series again. The first series where you can see B plus 1C, it becomes plus 1D, and so on until we get the answer F. And the second series you get O minus 1 and minus 1. So it keeps on decreasing by 1 until we get the answer L. So the correct option is option A, L and F. Moving to the next question. Again, the given series is a combination of two series. First series A plus 1, B plus 1, C. So it keeps on adding plus 1. And then in the second series you can see I plus 1, J plus 1, K. So it keeps on adding until we get the answer L. So the correct option is option A, which is DL. Moving to the next question. Again, combination of two series. So the first series goes like this: A, then plus 1 B, plus 1 C, plus 1 D. And the second series Z minus 1, Y minus 1, X minus 1 W. So D and W are the required answers. So option C, DW is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. So the first series goes like this: B, then add plus 2, it becomes D plus 2 F plus 2 H. And the second series you can see E plus 2 G plus 2 I plus 2 K. So not only there are two series, you can have 3 and 4 series as well in this question. So in the third series you can see A plus 2, C plus 2, we keep on adding plus 2 until we get the answer G. And the fourth series we have again adding of plus 2, which gives the result M. So HKGM, which is option D, is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. So the given series pattern is X plus 3, U plus 2, S plus 3, P plus 2. So in this way the required answer will be I. Option A, I. So it's like plus 3 and plus 2. This is the sequence. Moving to the next question. The given series is a combination of three series. First series, again plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 until we get the answer L. Second series where you have minus 1, until we get the answer G. And the third series you can see minus 2, it keeps on decreasing by 2. So the correct answer is Q. So LGQ, which is option number D. So the correct answer of question number 22 is option D, LGQ. Moving to the next question. Again, the given series is a combination of three series, first, second and third. Here you can see E plus 1, F plus 1 until you get the answer I. Again in the second series plus 1 until you get the answer N. And the third series you can see plus 1 until you get the answer S. So I and S, which is option D, is the correct answer. Moving to the next question.
Moving to the explanation of the 24th question. Here you can see in the first series there is addition of plus 3 and then plus 4, plus 5 and so on until we get the answer Z. Similarly, in the second series you can see B plus 5G, then when you add 6 you get M, then plus 7, and it goes on until you get the answer K. And again in the third series you can see plus 7, plus 8, plus 9 and so on until you get the answer W. So ZKW is the correct answer. So option D, ZKW is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Here the given series pattern is Z minus 2X, minus 3U, minus 4Q and so on until you get the answer F. So option A, F is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Here in the explanation you can see given series is a combination of opposite letters, and given below table shows pairs of opposite letters and the order of letter changes in the next term. So as you can see, the opposite of A is Z, opposite of B is Y, opposite of C is X and so on until the opposite of M is N. So in this series you can see A, Z, Y, B, C, X. So what next? Definitely the answer will be option A, which is W and D. As W is the opposite of D, so the correct answer will be WD. Moving to the next question. Given series is a combination of three series. Again, first series you can see F plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 until you get the answer R. Then again second series you have plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 until you get the answer P. And the third series again plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 until you get the answer E. First letter of each subsequent groups has 3 alphabets in between. The method is same for second and third letter of each group as mentioned. So the correct answer will be option C, RPE. Hope you have got the answer. Moving to the next question. The word begins with a vowel and the words have been arranged in alphabetical order. So the next term will be URN. I hope you have understood the answer. URN, option A, URN is the correct answer. In case you haven't understood the answer, then let me explain. Here you can see A and D, then EAR, INK, OLD. As the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, so the next answer will be U, something that will have U in the initial. So option A is the only correct answer that we can find. So moving to the next question. The given series is a combination of two series. So the first series is M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T and U. Okay. And the second one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So in this way the answer will be option C, G, H. Hope you have understood the answer. Moving to the next question. The given series is a combination of three series again. C plus 3, F plus 3, and it goes on until you get the answer L. Similarly for A plus 3 until you get the answer J, and for T plus 3, W plus 3 until you get the answer C. So option D, LJC is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Here you can see it's easy. Y minus 3, you will get the answer V. Then you will get the answer V minus 3S, and so on until you get the answer J. So the correct answer is option A, J. Moving to the next question. The pattern of the given series is A plus 1 CD plus 2 GHI plus 3 MNOP. So in this way the pattern proceeds further. So the correct answer will be option D, MNOP. Hope you have got the correct answer. Moving to the last question. The given series is a combination of three series again. T minus 3, Q minus 3 and so on until you get the answer H. For second you have to see M plus 1, N plus 1, O plus 1 until you get the answer Q, and for J plus 2, L plus 2, N plus 2 until you get the answer R. So HQR, so option B, HQR is the correct answer. I hope you have got all the correct answers, and in case if you are not still, the practice is very important for this particular type of question. We'll come with various parts in the future, so do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.